Tiny house by designer is on the market, and the price is unbelievable. When looking for a home, most people want space and lots of it. It's understandable for anyone looking for a new home to want plenty of space to move around. After all, we do have to stretch out and relax on occasion. We always thought more space is better, but with the advent of one designer, 200 square foot living space, our views on the need for space may have changed our minds forever. These homes are called Earth and Sky Palace, and thanks to its innovative design, a lot of space isn't needed. Once you come inside, you'll understand why we feel that way. Most people need a giant home, but not this designer. These miniature houses just became available for sale, and they prove that bigger is not always better. With a minimal layout of only 200 square feet, this admittedly tiny house makes use of all the space available. Not a single inch is wasted in this quaint small abode. Just like a studio flat, it has a space to eat, a bathroom, a cooking area, and a bed. Since it's made out of cedar, it also features a trademark stained blue finish that looks naturally weathered. There's also a built-in dog door made from steel, and the bed converts into chairs for the lounge area. You can use your smartphone to control your AC, and you can even make cupcakes in the Verona oven that fits in the tiny kitchen. Though small, the walk-in shower doesn't skimp on luxury with its bronze shower head that costs more than $1,000 alone. The small details in this small house make its owners feel well cared for without loads of space. With so many features, the small price tag of $74,000 is an equally small price to pay for what you get. Let's be frank, there aren't many homes you can buy for the same price with such high-end details in every room. Are you tired of living in the same old place? Do you think you could turn this lovely living space with maple floors and buckets of character into a well-loved home? We love it, and we think your friends will too. So why not click the share button below and find out?